Ather Energy, the pioneer e-scooter company of India, is lining up for IPO. Ather Energy, a Bengaluru-based electric vehicle manufacturer, has emerged as a significant player in India's electric two-wheeler market. Founded in 2013 by Tarun Mehta and Swapnil Jain, Ather Energy has been at the forefront of innovation, sustainability, and performance in the EV sector. The company's journey from a startup to a unicorn is a testament to its commitment to transforming urban mobility. As Ather Energy prepares for its initial public offering, it marks a pivotal moment in its growth trajectory in the broader EV market in India. Ather Energy's flagship products, the Ather 450X and Ather 450 Plus, have set new benchmarks in the electric scooter segment. These models are known for their advanced features, including high-performance lithium-ion batteries, fast charging capabilities, and smart connectivity options. The company's focus on research and development has enabled it to introduce cutting-edge technology and design, making its scooters popular among urban commuters. Ather Energy's growth has been fueled by significant investments from prominent backers, including Hero MotoCorp and Tiger Global. The company has also expanded its manufacturing capabilities with a state-of-the-art facility in Hosur, Tamil Nadu, which has an annual production capacity of 110,000 scooters. This expansion is part of Ather's strategy to meet the growing demand for electric vehicles in India. In the competitive landscape of electric two-wheelers, Ather Energy faces stiff competition from players like Ola Electric, TVS Motor, and Bajaj Auto. Despite this, Ather has carved out a niche for itself with its premium offerings and strong brand presence. The company's focus on quality, performance, and customer experience has helped it capture a significant market share. As of August 2024, Ather Energy holds a 12.2% market share in the Indian electric two-wheeler market. Although it might seem that Ather has a very long way to go and Ather could find it difficult competing against TVS and Bajaj, this is not true. This is because both TVS and Bajaj are handicapped by their expertise in old petrol scooter technology. Their expertise in old technology will prevent them from expanding exponentially in new electric technology. This is exactly the same reason which killed some of the biggest companies in the world, companies like typewriting machine companies with the advent of computers, Kodak with the advent of digital camera and smartphones, Nokia and BlackBerry with the advent of touch-screen phones, etc. TVS and Bajaj make vehicles other than electric vehicles which give them more profit than selling e-scooters. So they are not too much interested in EV business. Both TVS and Bajaj have launched flex fuel bike and Bajaj has launched the CNG bike too. Bajaj has made statements in the press which shows that he doesn't look at EVs as positively as his looks at petrol and CNG bike. He has stated that there is no big party happening in the e-scooter market in spite of the subsidies given. So the petrol scooter companies will never make more than 20% of their vehicles as electric. This is because if they become a 100% electric vehicle manufacturing company, then it will destroy their petrol scooter dealership ecosystem, which gets regular income from parts replacement, oil change, and servicing petrol scooters. On the other hand, in electric vehicles almost 90% do not need to visit dealership for service. So the future looks to be a duopoly, Ola Electric and Ather Energy, just like in mobile phone services we have Jio and Airtel. Similarly, in electric vehicles there is a good chance that in 2 years' time, as the market matures, only the pure electric vehicle manufacturers will be able to survive. Bajaj, in spite of sitting on huge cash pile, will be spreading itself too thin investing in multiple fuel vehicles. Bajaj will also find itself vulnerable in electric rickshaws market, where also it will face competition from Ola Energy. In spite of such severe competition, the demand for electric scooters is so strong that there are many other smaller e-scooter makers like Ampere, Okaya, Bigaz, Battery, Yo Bikes, Joy Electric, Okinawa, Hero Electric, Benling, etc. in the market experiencing good sales. COVID-19 and the onset of subsidy removal, years 2020 to 2023, kind of slowed down the electric scooter market. The cost of petrol keeps growing with time, and there is no doubt that anywhere in India, if a person has a charging point, he will buy an electric two-wheeler. Ather Energy is set to file its Draft Red Herring Prospectus for an IPO, aiming to raise approximately 4,500 crore, around $550 million, at a valuation of US $2.5 billion. The IPO will consist of a fresh issue of shares and an offer for sale by existing shareholders. The funds raised will be utilized for capacity expansion, research and development, and strengthening the company's distribution network. The decision to go public comes at a time when the Indian EV market is witnessing rapid growth, driven by favorable government policies, increasing environmental awareness, and rising fuel prices. Ather's IPO is expected to attract significant investor interest, given the company's strong fundamentals and growth potential. Impact on the EV market. Ather Energy's IPO is poised to be a landmark event in the Indian EV market. It will not only provide the company with the necessary capital to scale its operations, but also set a precedent for other EV startups considering public listings. The successful listing of Ather Energy could boost investor confidence in the EV sector and accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles in India. Moreover, the IPO will enhance Ather's visibility and credibility, enabling it to forge strategic partnerships and collaborations. This, in turn, will drive innovation and growth in the EV ecosystem, benefiting consumers and the environment alike. Ather Energy's journey from a startup to a leading player in the electric two-wheeler market is a remarkable story of innovation, resilience, and vision. Ather was the first to introduce some of the most cutting-edge technology in scooters. Things like touchscreen dashboards, maps on scooter screens, belt drive instead of Chinese hub motors. All these at a very affordable price. Ather scooter is the best electric scooter at its price point anywhere in the world. It is the first time in the world that India has made a product that is the best in the world. As the company prepares for its IPO, it stands at the cusp of a new era of growth and expansion. The IPO will not only provide Ather with the financial resources to achieve its ambitious goals but also reinforce its position as a pioneer in the EV industry. With its commitment to sustainability and excellence, Ather Energy is well positioned to lead the charge towards a greener and more sustainable future. Thank you for watching. See you soon.